Hello, another Maker Advent video. This is take 3. This is becoming quite a tradition. 3 takes. In front of me we've got the latest thing to look at for Maker Advent. A SparkFun Qwiic Shield. Now the Qwiic Shield is an Arduino Uno add-on board, or Uno format board I should say. Underneath I've got the Cytron Maker Uno, which I really like. They're cheap as well. There'll be something about that in a second. I didn't buy it for Advent, I've had it for a while. This I got in the Black Friday sale at the Pi Hut. Starting a run of Pi Hut stuff, aren't I? And I just soldered it up about 20 minutes ago. I lie, it was 40 minutes ago. It's taken 20 minutes to get the rigging set up for this light. Using my pine saw, which was the Christmas Eve product that I showed off last year. Lovely soldering iron, 25 quid. Just get one, don't even think about it. Anyhow. Qwiic Shield, as you can probably guess, Arduino Uno compatible, and it's a shield, which means you can put stuff on top of it here. So it's got all these breakout pins, so you can solder stuff in. All I've done is I've soldered in these headers, which are female headers at the top and male at the bottom, so they go into the Uno underneath. What I'm interested in, and this soldering iron will come in handy, it's cold by the way, are these connections here. Can you see these black connections? Okay, they're called Qwiic connections in the parlance of SparkFun. Qwiic being is it proprietary, would we say? It's a polarised connection, there we go, we'll use that phrase. So it only goes in one way, so it's quite hard to fit it in the wrong way. It can be done, trust me, but you wouldn't do it just by chance. Qwiic is also known as Stemma QT if you've used anything from Adafruit. That's my Bluetooth speaker, by the way. So Stemma QT, Qwiic are both compatible, so you can use components from Adafruit ecosystem with SparkFun and vice versa. So I'm messing around with this because I've got a real love for Stemma QT stuff now. Since January this year, when the Pico came out, Raspberry Pi Pico, I was using that board quite a lot, and then Adafruit brought out their own version, the Feather RP2040, which had these connections on Stemma QT, and I thought, well, I need to buy some stuff to test it for work. So I did. Bought some stuff and I bought a load of these little boards. These are Stemma QT boards and they're connected via a cable to one of the 4 connections. And this one is an MPU, is it 5060 or 6050? 6050, MPU 6050. And it's like an accelerometer type thing. It has got a proper name, I've forgotten it. But I'm going to show you how much this was, and also the Uno underneath as well. So onto the images, so you can see it's on the Pi Hut website. Right now in stock, Pi Hut's got them for £6.40 for the Qwiic Shield, and Maker Uno £6.10. If you're just going to dabble with Arduino, by the way, if you've not got an Arduino before, get a Maker Uno. You can get clones out there. This is a clone, but it's a really good quality clone. SparkFun Qwiic Shield £6.40, again no brainer. It's like pocket money prices. The add-on boards, all the Stemma QT and Qwiic boards, they range in price from about £3 all the way up to 70 odd quid, or £70 I should say. So you pick and choose what you want. I like to get temperature sensors, accelerometers, that sort of thing to mess around with because they're cheap and simple. And also kids, when they use them, get a lot of satisfaction of flinging this thing around to see how they can make the plotter change. And that leads me on, like I planned this, to this screen, which is the same one but with overlays, see? This is live code running on that Arduino, so the Maker Uno. And it's running an accelerometer script from Adafruit. So Adafruit provided a script, a library for this I should say. And as you can see, just by touching it, I'm causing the plotter to have different results. So it's the X, Y and Z coordinates. So yeah, that'll do. So if I move this around, you can see there's big changes. This is live from this little sensor. I haven't got to worry about breadboarding or wiring things up or having a pull-up resistor on the I2C lines, because believe it or not, Stemma QT and Qwiic is I2C. So power, data, clock and ground are the 4 pins. Well remembered there, lads. And yeah, simple. It took me about 10 minutes to solder it up with this and plonk it on, open the library, run one of the demo codes for the plotter, and away we go. So there we go, I'll just shake that there. Good bit of fun. So yeah, about £6 for this board. £6 again for the Maker Uno. Well worth it. You can also use the Stemma QT boards with Raspberry Pi Picos, feathers from Adafruit. SparkFun boards have got these quick connections on as well. They're all over the place now and becoming quite popular because they're so easy to use. It's like the next step up from kids using croc clips. Plug this stuff in, instant results. So in a classroom environment, brilliant. A larger version of these connections, not exactly the same, but a similar way of working are Grove connections. And I'll show one of them off later on in this video series. Grove connections are just like a big chunkier connection that fits into either PWM, digital connections, I2C, and it works in a similar fashion. But yeah, have fun with these. Lovely little board. It's going to be one of the things to mess around with over the Christmas break. That's it for now. See you later.